Good evening, viewers of Pinoy Kiddie Programmers. I'm Lansky and this is Bedek. And we are now going to assemble the Mbot robot that we have bought yesterday or we have unboxed yesterday. So based on this, what you call this, assembling manual, so this is very important for you to be able to assemble the robot. There are actually 19 parts here. And if you include the screwdriver, that would be 20. So we're gonna check if all of that is existent. So all of that is existing. So we're gonna start with number one, the main board M core. Where is it? So you place it here. Okay. So can they see it? So maybe you place it somewhere where they can see it. And the next is the chassis. The chassis, this one, you get the chassis. So maybe you put it here so they can see it. That's it. So, and that's the chassis. And the next one is the ultrasonic sensor. So this is the one that's it's also a very important part, the sensor of the robot. Where is it? Yeah. So this is the sensor. This is the eyes of the robot. Serves as the sensor. Okay, are you excited with what we're doing?
Really excited.
Next, careful. The line follower sensor. So the line follower sensor is the one being used to detect lines. So where's that?
That is
This one. This is the careful with it because careful, don't drop it like that because this is a sensitive material. So you show it to them. So that's the line follower sensor. And of course the motor.
the motor.
The motor is, there are two of them. There are two motors.
Motor, the
So
yellow
if you
one.
count the motor as two, then the parts is 20 pieces in all, including if we include the screwdriver, that's 21 pieces. We should have 21 pieces.
21
So we're putting it
pieces.
here. And the mini wheel. Where's the mini wheel? Is it here?
Yes. We're gonna open it.
Okay, some parts are very small. Maybe we won't mention it much, or
You show
just gonna use it as we go along. Okay, so is this the mini wheel?
That's the mini wheel.
The mini wheel. So you show it to them.
The mini wheel.
And the two major wheels. So since this is two, actually some parts are, says here 2, 4. So actually there's more than one of them. Maybe you can assemble already. So this is the wheel of the Mbot. You can assemble this thing already. Do you know how to do it?
Yep. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Squeeze.
Did I got it right?
Yep.
It should be even on both sides. It should be perfectly inside.
Like this?
Yeah, very good. So Bedek is better at me at assembling the wheel. Okay, is faster. Next is the screwdriver. Where's the screwdriver? So we have this one.
It's separate.
Okay, maybe we can put it already. You should always wear protection when working. You can get your protective goggles. Do you have one?
No, but it's actually
Okay, I'm gonna assemble the screwdriver. The screwdriver is customized for this Mbot. So in order to you can just tighten like that.
And
You
not find.
you loosen and then you tighten. And for the kids out there, be careful with this. After using, you place it where it is safe, or you remove the pointed part here and return to the plastic. Okay, but for now, we'll put it here because we'll be using this one. Okay, after the screwdriver, we have to have the RJ25 cable. So the RJ25 cable is this one. The same with what you place in a network of a computer. I think you put it here. Don't place it over other parts. And next we have the USB cable.
USB cable.
Okay, so we have the USB cable.
With
And I think you should ask Nanay for the batteries. I don't know, we're just assembling. We're not gonna play with the robot right now. This is just an assembling video. Okay, after that, we need the brass stud. Where's that? A brass stud. And there are 4 of them. Actually, it's here. This is for some parts. You're gonna use this for connecting some parts of the robot. So I'm placing it here. Okay. They can't see it anymore. Maybe I'll place it here.
here.
Yeah. But it's gonna fall. Okay, it's okay. Just place it here. Next, we have the screw. The M325mm screw. So, I think this is it. Do you think this is the one? It says 6 of them. Yeah, 6 of them. So, we have this. It's M3 by 25 screw, and then we have 6 of them. Okay? And, of course, we have the M4 by 8mm screw. It says 15 of them. So let's count if this is 15. I think this is 15. 5, 8, 10. Okay, this is 15. And then we have the M2.2 by 9mm self-drilling screw. 4 of them. Yeah, 4 of them. We're about to complete it. We have the M3 nut.
M3 nut.
8 pieces. This is called M3 nut.
Because it looks a nut.
And of course, the infrared controller. Show it to them.
Show it to them.
And AA battery holder. So this is it, the battery holder.
Don't need batteries.
Sorry, I'm coughing. Can you get some water for me? And then, of course, I have already shown you the line follower map. Sorry. This is the line follower map. I'm gonna show it again to everyone. For those that have not watched the unboxing video. So, this is the line follower map. You're gonna need this for your line follower program to test the code of your line follower code.
The water is served.
Okay. After the line follower map, I'm just gonna return this line follower map. Place it here.
Velcro sticker.
And then the Velcro sticker. Do we have one? This is it. I don't know what shall we be doing with this Velcro sticker. This is 2 pads. Just place it here. So, what's this? This for the hexagon screw socket, cap screw M4 here, cross screw here. So we can reverse this thing. And use this
Other part.
the other part, which is for the hexagon socket. Can you see it? That's the hexagon socket. Well, this is the Phillips screw. This other part is the Phillips screw. Okay.
Much pointed.
much pointed than the hexagon socket. Okay,
What's dangerous?
so screw tightly clockwise.
Clockwise.
Just follow step-by-step
Just
procedure.
be wise.
So step 1,
Step one.
building instruction. So there's a building instruction at the back. I think we should follow that diligently so we won't make any mistakes. It's important to follow it. So step 1, you need to have the M3 25mm screw, 2 of them. So I think this is it. Was this the M3 2? Let's look for it. No, it's M3. This is not it. M3 screw. This one. It's 6 of them. And on step 1, I'll be needing 2. So you need it for the chassis and the motor. And
The nut. M3 nut.
where's the M3? The M3 nut is here.
M3 nut is here. I mean, this is step 1.
M3 nut, 8 of them. M3 nut, 8 of them, and I'm going to be needing 2 of them.
2.
Okay, so and then we have the motor. We'll be needing 1 motor. Okay, and we have the chassis. So I'm just gonna move this away. Here, we're gonna assemble the chassis, and it says here it's pointed this way, and like that. We're gonna place it like that based on step 1. So this is step 1. You see step 1. Okay. Okay, so we'll just work here. Don't mind us. And 9 years later, we have completed the assembly of the Mbot robot. Now we are going to try this. We have already downloaded the MakeBlock app from the Play Store, from the Android Play Store, and we shall be using it to control this robot. So now we're gonna place this robot here. Okay. Oh, so okay, we're gonna connecting. If I minimize the camera, would it still be continuing to record?
Nope.
Phil, do you think so? If I minimize the camera to control the robot, would it's
It will not work.
okay? So I'm not sure if it would still record. Can you please record in lieu of me recording the robot? Can you record use your phone to record this? Can you get Nanay's phone?